And so, the demolition, I don't know. I may not do a day-by-day demolition of the Mesa Hawaii Speedway, but I'll definitely try to include pictures of like walls being torn apart and so digging track service. But first of all, Matt Kansas, the most recent one here, is going to do the same as Jacorin did when he won the only race at Hawaii Speedway. Raced the final lap on board with him here at the Mesa Hawaii Speedway. So, our race chick has hosted 6 great races, which one of those was on the old road course, the kind that went like this and so on, but that road course was demolished, but it got regained back onto the racetrack. And the old races here have been very, very exciting, and yeah, and we all want to thank for the large crowd, but now after this race, the track can be demolished, and then the open land is going to go on sale for our future stop motion. So any stop motion person could do a race here. I don't know, and it would be nice if you gave like a mention like this track used to be the former Lowe's, not the Lowe's, and the Mesa Motor Speedway. Yeah, give him a mention like that, and then so yeah, that's all I'd say. So here we go, Matt Kansas, take it away. Now it's time to build the asphalt. As you can see, that all the walls are now gone. Here, so walls sometimes are really old. You can notice that. You can definitely notice that right here. As you can see, these used to be the original garage, right here before the road course happened. To those who do not watch all of my videos, and there's the victory lane. So yeah. And right here you can see reminiscences of the old grass. Right here, let the true demolition of the asphalt go away, and after that, you will always be a memory of the Mesa Motor Speedway.